Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
Today we're going to be planting some garlic that Josh from the Citystead sent us.
Yep. Yep, we have a little bed behind us here that had previously had some elephant garlic planted in one row, so I've got my markers, and we're going to keep Josh's separate so we know what's what. Of course, we'll be able to tell later, but yep, we're going to keep track of it and see what we can do. We had planned to put it in like over a month ago, and we had such crappy weather, and we finally got some decent weather, and it's New Year's, so it's more than time to get it in.
Happy garlic.
Yes. Sunny. Scary. What is that big ball in the sky?
I don't know, it's not been here for quite a while.
Yeah, forgotten what it was. Not even sure where my hat is. I'll have to find it. So we got our garlic in, and we're looking forward to seeing what grows next spring. We have another bed of garlic over here that we're hopefully this year going to manage to get cleared out and straightened up. but it'll be fun to have specifically planted, replanted, good garlic cloves again. So,
Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications because she's going to be doing some more planting coming up.
yeah, well, just plant the garlic cloves about every 6 inches and about 3 inches deep and let her go. We tend to plant on the deep side because that helps to keep the plants from coming up too early, and it also helps to keep them moist, more moist. It's easier because we're in a cold area, but we are super dry. So until next time, bye. Saying bye?
Until next time,
Bye.
bye.